Export Saint Lucia presents Made in Saint Lucia.
Economies grow when we export, and over the past few years, the value of exports in goods has averaged $135 million. Made in Saint Lucia highlights some of the enterprising manufacturers and service providers who are contributing to our nation's growth.
Abby's Exotic Blends is an agro-processing company which produces local products. We retail, we do wholesale, and we also ship. I became a single parent and I decided to start off a business because I had to do something to help my kids with school and the basic day-to-day living. I bought $2 plantain, came home with it, produced it and packaged it into ice lolly bags. That was somewhere around 2009, and it kicked off there. The chips are the most popular products. The drinks are basically seasonal, Christmas, Valentine's, birthdays, weddings, and so on, but the chips are actually becoming a household name. Export Saint Lucia has become the backbone of Abby's Exotic Blends. The staff there are very friendly. Anything I need and I call anybody, I get the assistance. I exported to Guadeloupe through Export Saint Lucia, and so I am so very grateful to Export Saint Lucia for all the help that they have continued to put into my business. Export Saint Lucia actually put my drinks on the map because tourists are now coming to the Taste of Saint Lucia shop, purchasing my drinks, going back with it, and I see people posting about it, and it just gives me such a great joy.
We need to have innovators, we need entrepreneurs, we need small businesses to develop. There are people in Saint Lucia who can make it. There are people like Abby and Seymour's people. We can make it, and that is why we envisaged and we spoke to the CDB. And I want to thank them. We are investing in people. $10 million investment in people. And out of that, we are saying to them that 70% is a grant and 30% will be a loan. I think there is a lot for us to be proud and happy about. And let us create wealth for our people.
Export Saint Lucia presents Made in Saint Lucia.